how to get best working Fashionphile promo or discount code. The first things first is access any web browser that you can use or you want to use, and then just head directly to your new tab and type in couponfollow.com. Now, this is going to be the website in all platforms, products, and services that you can take advantage with their coupon codes, discounts, and offs. So all you have to do from here is just simply type in fashion pile on the search bar and just choose on the first result. Yeah, once you're here, this is going to be all the results that you can use, and it's actually working. So as you can see, it has a different name, Fashion Nova, but it will also work on a Fashion File. So all you have to do is just choose any of these options right here, and once you already have a choice, just simply click on that for you to be able to have the specific code. Now, once you purchase or you place any orders from Fashion File, all you have to do is to copy this code and then enter it here. So that's it. That's how you find, or that's how you can get the best working promo discount code for Fashionphile.